Inbox was actually created in 2001 when we decided to have freshly cooked meals chilled and frozen. And in 2008, we decided to work with a vending machine concept where we place the ready-to-eat meals into the vending machines where we can serve to the mass. Actually, JR was started in 2001 to produce fresh freeze food to supply B2B and also B2C. So in year 2008, actually, the ideas of vending machine came. We also realized that the manpower shortage and also the manpower cost has really escalated a lot. So we decided to say we wanted to build a cafe that you don't need people to man it. So therefore we decided to put the concept together, talk to many people like the agencies, and also talk to our designers and also architects. And our team has really worked tirelessly to just put the whole concept together, because our aim is to bring about good food, bring about convenience to the community at the convenient time, like 24/7. We are there to complement, because some of our vending machines and van cafe are in areas where people have to work late, like in schools, in hospitals, or even in offices or organizations. Some of them are right in the middle of an island where food is an issue, especially in the night time. Especially during this period, during the COVID-19 period, where some of the eateries have to close early or even shut down because of the situation. Our chef has also worked very hard. Besides that, we also have food technologies here to keep coming out with new items so that the food produced are safe for consumption. At the same time, they are quality meals. A lot of hard work has gone behind just the pack of food. All of us from Chef Inbox, we want to say a big thank you to all our stakeholders, especially our customers. A big thank you for supporting us all these years. It's because of you we are here, and it's because of you we want to do better. Together, we can make it.